and welcome to a new spooky Halloween video here on my channel. I am so excited about this video. First of all, I'm going to create one of my favorite characters ever, and I just realized that if you guys are younger than me, I don't even know if you guys know who this is. You need to check it out because she is really cool, and I feel like she is me, but better looking. But she's just drawn that way, okay?
I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
I'm so excited about finally creating this look, and also I'm so happy and proud to say that this video is in collaboration with my faves, The Body Shop. This might come as a shock to you guys, but The Body Shop actually has loads of products that are great for Halloween. And I know that it might be hard for some of you guys to find Halloween products, so I'm here to tell you guys and show you guys what you can find at The Body Shop to create really cool Halloween looks. Okay, that is all. Let's get started with the tutorial. So luckily I already have red hair, which is something that she has. I actually did buy a red wig before I dyed my hair, but let's skip that. Even if she has like really long hair, but I think that we will just make it work. First of all, I'm gonna go in with the Fresh Nude foundation in Bora Bora. That are honestly one of my favorite foundations ever. I've used this ever since I used to work at The Body Shop, which I know I say that like every video with The Body Shop, but it's the truth. So I'm just gonna use this all over my face, as Jessica Rabbit is pretty much just a really hot drawn hot woman. We're not gonna do anything weird with the base, so I'm just gonna go in with this. We are also gonna go in with this all over my chest area, as we are going to paint it. You don't need a lot here, but I just wanted to look a little bit more flawless than it does right now. My skin is like acting up because of the autumn coming to Sweden at the moment. It is so cold and my skin is like, what the hell? No, sir. Then for some darkening and lightening drops, she is not really that contoured to be honest, but I just think it will look cooler. We are going to use the lightening drops to highlight, and then we are also gonna go in with the darkening drops and use this to contour. Also, we are going to contour right over here. As if you have really big boobs, then you are perfect for this look, but moi does not. So we're gonna make some titties. So let's blend. You guys know I rarely come prepared. And here is the same thing again. I don't know if you guys were here last year when we did Halloween videos, but then I don't know how to remove my eyebrows, and I probably should have thought of that before. And I remember that I used latex before, and you guys were so scared that my eyebrows would just fall off, but I think that it looked okay. So I'm gonna go in with some latex, and I'm gonna try and just make a smooth canvas over my brow, and then we will create fake brows. I should have done this before. I know. If you guys are one of those persons being like, no, I can't do that Halloween thingy because I don't know how to, I mean, just look at me. You guys are screaming now, like, please just use a glue, but I don't have glue, okay? I only have latex, so I can't do that. No, I'll be back when this is done. We are gonna go in with some powder, and this I'm gonna use all over my face. I am going to try and conceal this with my most full coverage concealer. Pray for me. Oh shit. It looks fine, right? Because this is the best that I can do with what I have, and I think that is pretty much what makeup is. You do what you can with what you have. From what I can see, she doesn't really have blush, but we are gonna do blush. So I'm gonna go in with the all-in-one cheek color shade Guava 06. I feel like her face is like kind of round and like kind of cute, but still like sexy. So I feel like I want quite a lot of blush right here. Okay, I look crazy right now. I'm sorry. A little bit on my nose to make me look like a clown even more, I guess. So for eyeshadow base, I'm actually gonna go in with a lipstick. This is the color Crush lipstick in 905 Nairobi Violet. She has like this really weird round shape. Okay, let's try and make this a little bit rounded. Okay, other one. To create some dimension to this colorful eye look, we are gonna go in with both 401 and 323. I'm using the darker shade to outline this, and then I'm using the lighter shade in the middle. Okay, it turned out a little bit too dark maybe, and I don't really have any shimmery shades in this palette, so I'm gonna go in with the Own Your Natural palette, and I'm gonna use this shimmery, like pearly pinkish one, and I'm gonna use it on the middle of this lid. Beautiful. It looks purple. That is amazing. You guys probably already know this about me, but I like to work on something and then do something else and then work on the same thing again. So we're gonna leave this now and do brows. And hopefully it will just look a little bit better. Because right now I think I look like Ursula. For our brows, I'm gonna go in with this little brow and liner kit, and we're gonna use the brown shade. I might add a red one if I can find one, just to make it a little hint of red. This did not just happen. You guys missed it, but I dropped my highlighter. No! That sucks. I'm gonna use this right here. This is so pretty. And a little bit on my body. A little bit of this purple shade, just right here. The best white kajal for Halloween videos. They also have it in black, and this is like a staple if you want to do really cool looks. These are amazing. So I'm gonna go in with the white one in my eye. Jessica Rabbit is obviously the glammest of all, so we're gonna go in with some eyeliner, and my favorite eyeliner of I think all time is finally back. It is the Star Stamp liner that has a normal eyeliner in one end that is amazing, and then we have the Star Stamp. So I'm gonna go in with the normal eyeliner, and we're gonna do a little wing. I'm thinking I want to paint like a little lash right here as well. I I'm now gonna go in with some lashes and the Happy Go Lash Mascara, and then I will be right back. And there we go, lashes and mascara are on, and now we're gonna do the lips. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that these two products are brand new for Christmas. It is the Matte Lip Butter in Manhattan Marigold. And then there is the Shine Lip Liquid in Berry Glazed. So let's apply that. And also I've taken out my piercing because I'm gonna overline a lot. And there we have it, the makeup is done. Now I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit and put on something more suitable, and I will be right back. I actually really like this look. Oh my god, I just wish that I had long hair. I feel like my hair got a little bit too curly. I just wanted it to be like old Hollywood curls. It's kind of hard when you have such short hair. But yes, that is... Do I have lipstick on teeth? So that is it for this video. Thank you, The Body Shop, for collaborating with me in this video once again. I'm so excited about this look. If you guys want more Halloween videos, I have a few coming up, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see all of that. And like this video if you enjoyed the look and the tutorial. And that is it for me. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!